are watching Kiddo's Kaleidoscope.
Hi there, friends. Welcome to Kiddo's Kaleidoscope. Today, we're going to learn about the letter A. Are you ready? Let's get started. This is the letter A. Can you say A? Great job. The letter A is the first letter of the alphabet, and it makes the sound ah, like an apple or ant. Let's see what fun things start with the letter A. Look at this. It's an apple. Can you say apple? Awesome! Apples are yummy fruits that come in red, green, and yellow. Do you like apples? What's your favorite color of apple? Now what's this? It's a tomato. Can you say tomato? Great job! Did you know that even though we use tomatoes in salads and sauces, they're actually a fruit? How cool is that? Look at the word tomato. Can you find the letter A? Yes, tomato has one A. Tomato. And here's another fruit. It's an orange. Can you say orange? Fantastic. Oranges are juicy and full of vitamin C, which helps keep us healthy. Do you like oranges? And what about orange? Yes. Orange also has the letter A. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Wow, we learned so much about the letter A today. We saw an apple that starts with A, and even found sneaky A's hiding inside tomato and orange. The letter A is everywhere, sometimes at the beginning, sometimes in the middle. Can you think of other words where A starts the word or hides inside? Tell me in the comments. Thanks for learning with me today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Kiddo's Kaleidoscope, and click the bell so you never miss our fun learning adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Subscribe for a kaleidoscope of joy. Let the adventure begin.